In the heart of Palm Beach, where the ocean meets elegance, stands a residence that redefines coastal luxury. Welcome to a masterpiece of timeless design and contemporary sophistication. Every space is crafted to perfection. From its grand, sunlit living room to the soft reflections of the Bahamian blue waters beyond. The chef's kitchen, the serene library, and the graceful owner suite. Here, luxury unfolds gently, through quiet courtyards, tranquil gardens, and an atmosphere that feels both private and infinite. Inside, refined details create a harmony of comfort and design. All whisper a story of elegance and calm. Outdoors, the rhythm continues, where the horizon melts into the pool. And every sunset becomes your own private masterpiece. This is not just a home. It's a celebration of light, space, and serenity, and every view tells a story of perfection. Regal Design USA, where architecture becomes art.